I have not heard that in a while. Congratulations to Blacklist International. Haji, finally, pagkatapos ng about 1 month, very challenging 1 month, nakuha niyo na ang inyong unang panalo. How is it like getting that, especially sweep ang nagawa niyo today?
Sakto lang po kasi parang nagkaroon po ng konting confidence. Ganun. Pero wala po, di po siya big deal para sa akin. Kahit nanalo kami ngayon.
Bakit? What do you mean? Bakit hindi siya big deal? I mean, for a lot of people, they would rejoice kasi finally, meron ng first win. Ito na yung confidence booster dapat. What's going through your mind right now?
Wala po, nasa baba pa rin po kami.
For now.
Opo.
For now. Nasa baba kayo for now, but if you keep going at it the way you're doing now, may chance na talaga kayong umakyat ng umakyat. Now, being a leader para sa inyong koponan, paano mo motivate yung mga teammates mo to make sure na hindi sila madadown and they keep their hopes up every game?
Lang po, sinasabi ko lang po na na wag lang po kami mawala ng pag-asa, ganun. Siyempre, bago pa lang po kami as a team. So, expect po talaga na ganito po talagang na mangyayari.
Sino ba dito yung confidence booster nyo? Sino dito yung talaga nagle-lift ng team na nagpapagaan ng pakiramdam para sa inyo?
Ako po minsan, tas si Coach Bon. Paiba-iba po yung Kung sino po yung pinapangit yung laro, yun po yung madadown talaga eh. Kung sino po yung magandang laro, yun po yung
I would imagine actually si MP kasi MP is very vocal. Tama ba?
Sakto lang po.
Actually, kung nga MP, alam mo ba na ikaw ang nangunguna ngayon ng jungler with most heroes picked? 9 before this series started. Sabi mo sa isang interview na gusto mong patunayan yung kakayahan mo here in the home soil. Masasabi mo ba na napakita mo yun sa larong ito or meron ka pa bang ibang gustong patunayan?
Hindi pa po kasi plano talaga namin kahit mahirap ngayon makapasok sa playoffs. Pag nakapasok siguro dun kahit paano papapatunayan ko kahit onte.
You know what? It ain't over till it's over. As long as you keep on going. Sabi nga sa basketball, bilog ang bola. Anything can happen, especially what you guys have shown today. And now, announce natin ang ating MVP. Can I hear some names? Unanimous Sino ulit? Sino? Sino? Isa pa. Sino? Let's take a look at the screen. Our MVP is Haji! Haji, first win, first sweep, first MVP. Nakasmile ka na finally. Anong masasabi mo?
Di ko po yung expect na mag-MVP ako, tapos mananalo kami, ganun. Parang lang, in-expect ko lang na magandang performance lang may pakita ako, ganun.
You know, with that kind of performance that you've shown today, expect mo talaga yung mga gantong type of result with you being MVP. What do you want to say to all the fans? Narinig mo ba lahat sila sinisigaw, Haji?
Maraming salamat po sa mga sumusuporta sa amin. Kahit na nasa baba kami, ganun. Andyan pa rin sila nakasuporta. Nakakataba lang ng puso kasi kahit nasa baba kami, dami pa rin nanonood.
You see what a difference your support does to your favorite teams? You may now take your bow and take your walk of victory. Congratulations, Blacklist International. They finally achieved the first win of the season. And with that stunning sweep, we're gonna break it down for you.